How to update drivers on Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first method when we've just reinstalled Windows. Everyone open Start. Select Settings. Select Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. So we can update all drivers for a PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. After it finishes running, our computer will have all the necessary drivers. The second method is to update each driver individually as needed. Right-click on Start. Select Device Manager. For the driver you want to update, select it. For example, if I want to update the graphics card driver, I select the graphics card driver. Right-click on the graphics card driver. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Next. Select Close. This means we have successfully updated the driver. The third method is to update drivers from the manufacturer's official website. Open a web browser. Go to google.com. It means you should search for the drivers specifically for your motherboard or laptop by typing driver plus the exact model name. To find out the motherboard and laptop model names, do the following. Go to the search bar. Type the keyword DXDIAG. You will see the motherboard or laptop name here, and the motherboard model, or the laptop model. Then enter it here. Then go to the manufacturer's official website. You will see all the drivers for your device here. For the driver you want to update, download it. For example, I will update the chipset driver. Select the latest version to download. After downloading, the driver will be in the Downloads folder. Open the folder. Select Downloads. Right-click on the driver. Select WinRAR or 7-zip. Select Extract to. In case you don't see WinRAR or 7-zip, it means you haven't downloaded and installed the extraction software WinRAR or 7-zip on your computer. Then you need to install it first so we can extract the files. I made a video guiding everyone on how to download WinRAR. Then I'll put the video link in the description of this video. Click on it to watch. Open the folder. Double-click on the driver installer to start the installation. Select Yes. After it finished running, we have successfully installed the chipset driver on the computer. So that's how I've guided everyone on updating drivers on a PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.